start to realize I can dream my tomorrow, I can hold my head up high, and it's all because you're by my side. Tell me that you love everything's alright when you're right here by my side. When you look me in the eyes, a crashing glimpse of paradise. I find my parents' eyes. You look me in the eyes, and I hear my heart cry. Though I can't see.
So Yanni B. Noynay from the West Science Circle. A warm round of applause. So, Yanni B, I noticed that you have a very unique name. Can you tell us the story behind your name?
Yeah, a very deep name, Yanni. Actually, it came up from two words. The first word is bayani, or hero. It's a Tagalog word, bayani. Because the reason why bayani, because when I was born, actually before I was born, my mom and my dad they quite quarrel sometimes. And when I was born, I think it strengthened their relationship. So they were I was their hero for that. And the second word is bee, which literally the bee, the insect, bee. Because bee produce honey and honey is sweet. So my mom and my dad wanted me to be sweet. So that's why. Yanni bee. So literally if you combine those two words, that means sweet hero.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 16.
So, in your 16 years in this world, have you done something heroic in order for you to get a license to bring that name?
Yeah, I did. I think the greatest thing I have done so far is that my high school is it's not very popular. It's not a very popular school. Our Lady of Sorrows Academy, and I'm proud to be an all-sign. It's in Hinubaan, Negros Occidental, and that school is very an underdog. It's an underdog school, and I think my very heroic thing that I've done is that I made that school appear in the map. Because when I won the my best product presenter, and they were shocked that where are you from? And I told Our Lady of Sorrows Academy, and they said, what? What's that school? They were shocked that I'm just from a low school and I won that contest. So yeah, I think that's a very heroic thing I have done so far.
Oh, that's great, Yanni B. Thank you. So once again, everyone, Mr. Yanni B from the West Science Circle.